Hey, Itching and Scratching, how are you this afternoon? Are you enjoying your Dominoes? Tacos and tequilas. I don't know who's waiting for what. Oh, I will drive safe. You know me, if I run anybody over, they deserved it. Why are you stepping on your brake, getting on the expressway? What the fuck is the problem? This is what I don't understand. I agree with you. Like the many a times I've seen them come to a complete stop at the bottom of the ramp. I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? Why are you Why are you stepping on the brake? Look at this fucking guy. Hey, Edward, how are you doing? I don't know. I just don't understand people sometimes. I get on the highway, I want to fucking go. Yeah, I got the cruise set at 80 miles an hour. speed limit is 70. This guy's going about 85, 90. But that's fine. As long as he's moving. When I start seeing people step on their fucking brakes and there's nobody in front of them, what the fuck are you doing? Yeah. That's tacos and tequilas. Now look, it's a cop up ahead with somebody pulled over. Watch these people start slowing down. Look at this shit. He's busy. What do you got to slow down for? Down to 60 fucking miles an hour. Jag off. Now we're coming to a spot where it always slows down. Because it merges onto 985 and 85 splits. And people slow down. I don't understand why. Look at this. Telling you. Hi Angie. Hi Stephanie. And anyone else I might have missed? No, I don't stick around when I'm on here. was going the other way. See, this white car should be in the middle lane. There's no reason to drive in the left lane unless you're passing someone. I don't know if I'm gonna drive for him. Not sure because the price doesn't look like it's gonna be worth it. Unless I pick my own roads and do a bunch of local stuff. We'll see. Hi, Juliet. Hey, Ray. How are you? I'm in Georgia. Some of my mods can help out with these questions because when I'm driving, it's hard to look at my phone. Why going to Jacksonville, Florida, $1,200, and then you only get $800 coming back. What the fuck is that? we'll see. I'm a good negotiator. What's going on today? Yeah, the pay is crap. I mean, he's only looking to pull in $4,000 a week. Like, no, you gotta be pulling in more than that. You know, I'm used to pulling in 8-9 grand a week. Personally, I'd rather take $1,900 going 450 miles than taking $1,500 going 800 miles plus. Fuck that. You know how much more fuel you're using? Not to mention, you can only drive 11 hours, so what's the most you can do? Without traffic, 700 miles? Yeah, it stopped raining. I mean, when it came down, it was fucking blowing and everything. I was inside Starbucks and that was going on. And no, he wouldn't let me pay for my coffee, so... For my large coffee and his medium coffee, it was like $6.50 or something. $6.53. I'm like, what the fuck, man? I bitch about it even when I'm not paying. Yeah, oh, I don't know what I'm going to make for lunch. You know, plan ahead. Watch, she's probably going to say, well, I can make hot dogs. Chili dogs. Yeah, long hauls is no good right now. I mean, I used to... Here, let me give you an example, okay? Coming out of Laredo, Texas, I'd get a load, maximum 4,000 pounds, paying $3,700, okay? Now, the max you can get out of Laredo, even for 42,000 pounds, is $2,500. I I'm like, get the fuck out of here. And then you got to worry about illegals jumping on your fucking truck. Friday, he's leaving to take a load to Kyle, Texas. It's like 800 and something miles. I forgot what it's paying. I think it's paying $1,500. It's like $1.23 a mile. Hi John 123. Hey Bob. Where are we going? We're going to Pendergrass, Georgia. Well, the illegals make me more. They make more money than me. See, that's the problem. These fucking illegals that are driving in the United States, you know, they come out of Mexico, right? And before they used to have to stop at Laredo, and they couldn't go no further. All right. Now they're allowed to drive into the United States. They'll take a load out of fucking Mexico, drive it to Michigan, and they'll take a fucking load out of Michigan for $1,000, take it back to fucking Laredo. See, that's the fucking problem. Hi Laura Kessler, how are you? Yeah, it's on you. You're fucking right. And they will snatch your fucking truck and they'll arrest you. That's why you always got to be fucking looking. I mean, even on the outside, there's so many fucking places they can hide. Why the fuck are you getting over? Jag-off. See what I mean? Even fucking truck drivers can't fucking look. Rapunzel. How are you? There you go. Get over. It's alright. Nobody saw that. Who just ran a red light? I didn't see no fucking red light. Later on, I'll have to go back and look and see if I actually did. I could have swore it was yellow. This guy can't pull up more. And that was that same situation with that one that had that accident over here, that fatal accident. Truck in the left lane there, but I looked at the traffic that was coming, so I knew how many cars were coming. Once I saw that third car pass, I was good to go. That's how you pay attention. gotta go get the mail. Oh, and there's a package at the door. Fantastic. Alright, I'll be back. Don't go anywhere. Okay, I am back. Hi, Joshua. Oh, well. I don't know how people break down on the fucking tracks. Just like I seen low boys get stuck on the tracks. What's this bullshit about? Good there. I gotta get home all that coffee I drank. I got a whiz. Oh, I can park in the driveway. My son went to work. All right. Let me unplug. Grab my coffee cup. Not worried about my cigarettes. Package can stay right there. I hate when there's no fucking lights on. There we go. You guys just hang right there a minute. Luna. There you go. It's only a package, Luna.
Daddy,
Hi.
did you just get home?
What?
You just got home?
Yeah, hang on a second. All right. All right, let me put the phone up. I don't know, Maria.
What, honey?
Uh,
What's the matter?
may not be worth it for me to drive for him.
Why, what happened?
'Cause, well, first of all, he doesn't have his company anymore.
Oh.
He's actually driving for someone else.
Oh.
I mean, I could still pick my loads, but I don't know if the pay doesn't look like it's going to be worth it.
Did he say what it would be?
Well, 17%, but you know, I gotta make. There, everybody can see the queen bee.
Yes, I woke up, took a shower. A little bit better now.
Oh, do me a favor.
Yeah.
Give me a pack of cigarettes and a lighter. I left my cigarettes in the car.
Oh, I didn't know that I didn't know that he had sold his company.
Well, he didn't sell his company.
Or he just quit.
Huh.
Or he just stopped running.
It's like he's got it on hold.
Oh.
He still has his company, but it's on hold.
But he's driving for somebody else.
Because he was working, he said he was paying too much for insurance.
Oh.
You know, he said he was paying $2,000 a month for insurance.
Ooh. Hi, everybody.
Yeah, that's the queen bee there.
Hi, Kathy, Austin.
I'll bet she hasn't liked the video yet either.
I just got on there.
Yeah. Have you liked it?
I didn't do it yet.
See? Hi, Kathy. Hi, Austin. How are you guys?
No, I did it.
And gals. I don't want to call Kathy a guy.
When are you going to show bees again? That's what John wants to see.
Maybe this weekend. What time is it? Want to go vote?
Did you vote already?
No.
Oh. That one has it.
That's for opening jars.
Oh, it's a jar opener.
Yes.
Oh, you got a few of them
Yes.
in different colors. Okay, that's all that's in there.
All right.
And you got a solar light?
Yeah, but I got to make sure that this doesn't zap the bees.
Blue light bug zapper. Use as a bug zapper or a garden light. When it's a white light, it's a garden lamp. When it's a blue light, it's a bug zapper.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
I don't want it. I have to make sure it doesn't attract the bees.
Right.
If it does, I can't use it. Hi, Will Gaming. How are you?
Hi, Will.
You see, I'd like to complain about my insurance too. I'm at $800 a month for my car insurance just because of one speeding ticket 3 years ago.
Ouch.
Well, see, that's
Yeah,
exactly
that'll
what
do
I
it.
mean. Yeah, you can bitch to me because there ain't nothing I can do about it.
Well, like I said, that decision's up to yours after you've talked to him, so I'm not gonna.
He had heart surgery.
Damn.
He had a bypass done
Oh, Lord.
in December.
Golly. That's not good. Yeah, if you want to go vote, we can go vote.
All right, let's go vote, and then we can get something to eat on the way back. How's that sound?
Yeah. And then I'll make something that I'm going to take for lunch today.
I'll take all of you to the voting booth, even though we're not allowed.
Yeah, just don't say nothing. Otherwise you'll get in trouble.
That's my problem.
Yeah, you keep quiet.
I always say something.
Don't say anything.
Here, take this with.
Your flannel, why?
Because it'll hold my phone.
Oh, okay.
It'll hold my phone and I can still record.
Right, without saying anything.
Without them noticing.
Okay.
Oh. I can't imagine my coffee's hot.
It's almost empty anyway. No.
Yeah.
Edward said, come to Newfoundland, insurance will bankrupt you.
Absolutely. $2 and change for them fucking jar openers?
I don't know what you paid for.
Yeah. What, fucking $19.95? All right, let me put everybody up here.
Let me put this right here until we get there.
Hello, Lokesh. Uh-oh, who got their message deleted?
Uh-oh.
Get this fucking garbage out of here.
John, how are you? There you go. Oh, his name is, it's actually Don. Lokesh's name.
Hey, Don. He was asking John how he is.
Right.
Take out my driver's license, because that's all we need. Bring my...
It's right here on the side.
Okay. And go vote. Well, see, here in Georgia, if you don't have insurance, they'll suspend your registration. I just had to cancel insurance on two automobiles and my motorcycle because I'm not using them right now. So why pay insurance on them?
Yeah, you're right.
And then I'll go to the...
Whoa.
Fix that for me.
Yep. This way, right?
That happens.
Okay, now you're good. Okay. Austin said, what are you all voting for?
It's pretty much like
Local
elections and U.S. elections, everything but president. We already voted for president earlier.
Edward said $2,500 for no insurance his first time.
Wow.
Canada's expensive. $6,000 for second and 10,000.
Are you serious? Canada?
Wow.
You'll have to ask what's his name when he pays for car insurance.
Oh, yeah.
What's his name?
Darren?
Aaron.
Yes.
Yeah. Because he's in Canada. But he's in the Alberta province.
Hi, Kiwi. Kiwi says, hey, Mr. Honeybee.
Hi, Kiwi. How are you? So I have to fill out all this stuff with that other company.
Which one?
The one that Abdullah works for.
Uh-huh.
I have to fill out like an application. you know.
Right.
This is all formality shit.
Okay.
I already sent them a copy of my driver's license. I gotta send them a copy of my medical certificate.
Right. Kiwi says, I'm at work, just wanted to peek in and say hello.
Where do you work again, Kiwi?
Edward said that's if you get caught in fines with no insurance. Everybody's got it. The camera's beautiful.
Well, I'm sure the RCMP have better things to do than to go around on their fucking horses chasing cars with no insurance.
Oh, the Royal Canadian Mounted Police.
Oh, they must have lowered. Does that say 333?
Yes.
They lowered it. When I first went to Abdullah's, it was 239.
Oh.
You know, everyone in there told me I ran a red light
When?
earlier when I was coming off the ramp,
Oh.
like snitches.
Dad says you a thought of the day?
Yes.
Question mark, question mark, question mark.
My thought of the day?
Yes, what's your thought of the day?
Oops, man,
Red, red light, yellow light.
there we go. My thought of the day is,
It's 3:31 at Speedway. Whoa.
hey,
Whoa, there's-
hey, it was a yellow light.
They're going the other way.
They better not be turning around.
Two of them to come after you? My head is blinking around. I thought he was going to come over this way.
Yeah, me too. Now I'm stuck.
Austin said not everyone. I said yellow.
There we go.
Yes, do you have
Where
a
did I
thought?
gotta turn up here?
No, not yet. Next one, I think it is.
Okay.
So, do you have a thought of the day?
Not really. I haven't even thought of anything today. Oh, well, I could say, don't have sex with your wife. It only causes trouble.
How did it cause trouble? We had kids.
Yeah,
Oh, and your daughter said thank you
you're welcome.
because I sent her her birthday present. You're a shy person, Don? Are you? Well, I'm a little shy.
She's not shy. You ought to see her when she does her lives. Go to her live on Friday night. You'll see how shy she is.
I go. Yeah, today is our daughter's birthday.
Yeah, today is her birthday.
Yep.
During her life, she practically strips naked,
Do not.
pretty much. Ask anybody in the room.
That's why I like 5:15. Because 5:15 is her birthday.
Maybe I should play that today on the lottery.
Edward said, ha ha ha, Jim. In Newfoundland, we call our wives headaches.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I agree.
How do you think we feel about you husbands?
Well, we're the ones who do everything.
Oh, really? Who's the breadwinner?
Oh. Now you're hitting below the belt. When we got out of the car, why don't you just kick me in the nuts?
Don says here it's 11:34 p.m. Where do you live?
Where do you live, Don?
Hi, Wilma. How are you?
Hi, Wilma.
Mia says under the sea. Edward's like, ooh. He said, Austin said, I'm glad I don't have a girlfriend or a wife.
Austin said that?
Yeah. I'm doing good, Wilma. Jim's doing good too. I hope you're having a good day today so far.
You know, at least when you pay a hooker, she doesn't spend the night.
Oh, that's good. Mama said she's having a good day so far. That's good.
And we're gonna...
I don't know what country you are from, Don. I can guess, wait a minute.
Probably in Europe somewhere.
Yeah. Can you be in Australia? I'm guessing. Wilma has a question, Jim.
Go ahead.
She says, hey, Jim, what do you think about a meet and greet next year at my house?
Oh, we'd like to do it at a store that has a lot of room. We could buy tickets.
Oh, Don is from India.
Oh, India.
Okay. Hello, Slots and Scratch Card Jackpots.
Hi, Slots. How you doing today?
She said, I've been talking to my hubby about it, and that's fine with him. Well, that would be kind of nice. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. I definitely come. You?
There we go.
Yeah.
All these cars are turning left.
Ew, Johnny's Pizza. Gross.
Where?
Right there.
Get the fuck out of here.
Across the street.
Oh, God.
Wilma said we have small stores around us. Oh, that's a good thought for everybody to have, Don. You're correct. Spread love, not hate.
Absolutely.
That's a very good thought for every day.
Vote Trump. Vote Republican, you won't regret it. Now,
Hi,
remember,
Lottery Junkie. Where are we at? We're on our way to go vote.
now remember, when we park and I get out of the car, you hold on to me, okay?
Okay.
Like I'm pretty much crippled,
Okay.
all right?
I'm listening. Well, I'm not going to tell. He wants, Lottery Junkie says, okay, good luck.
Oh, I don't need luck. I know who I'm voting for.
Don says, guys, tell me your weight.
She weighs 630 pounds.
Oh, you're full of shit.
Last time I got weighed at the chiropractor, I was 155. But that was with clothes on.
Oh, Jesus Christ, I can't even bend. Hi, Stephanie.
Take out your driver's license. That's
I'm
all
going
you
to.
need.
Oh, yeah, I don't need to take my person with me?
For what?
Oh, I don't know. Keep my phone in it. That way nobody sees what I'm looking at.
Oh, you keep your phone with you.
All right.
You're 120 kilograms.
I'm not sure what that's in
Yeah,
pounds.
I don't know what the conversion is.
And I got your thingy here.
What thingy?
Your flannel. You gonna
Yeah,
put your
well,
phone in your flannel?
Yeah, when we get out, I'll put my flannel on.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Don't forget your phone.
Yeah. Duh.
And I'll grab your flannel.
All right, hang on, guys. Put my phone in my driver's license.
Oh, got it.
Here, take the keys.
Did you lock it or not?
Now.
Okay.
All right, now you guys got to be quiet. See?
I got
Told you
it.
to hold on to my
I got
license. All right, you guys got to. There we go.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Gotcha. Hi, how you
Hey
doing?
folks,
How you doing?
I'm fine. You ready to vote?
Yes.
Already.
What you want to come in and save me some space?
Oh, okay.
I'm waiting for you out here.
This one right here? Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon.
Hello, good
Oh, I think we're gonna get mugged.
Not in here.
How you doing today?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm all right.
Do you have a photo ID?
Are you voting as well?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Okay, James, you could have this back. I'm gonna check this information. If it is correct, hit accept.
Okay.
Pick your ballot. Hit accept.
And then sign your name.
Using this, the soft N, sign your name by the X.
This one's out of ink.
Yes.
There we go.
And then I'll get a card for you.
Okay, that's good enough. I'll take care of the rest for
All
you,
right.
sir.
End of the machine like this.
You're gonna
Okay.
take this card over to the voting machine over there. And you're all set. Thank you.
Gave me the right ballot, right?
Of course.
Easy. Here, I'll help you.
We
I know
gave
you're
you the
like,
one you selected.
your leg's hurting. Easy.
Stop a minute.
Okay, it's hurting a little bit. Your foot?
All right, no, my leg.
Okay, easy. I got you.
All right. Says wait here.
Come
Oh,
on, she
it does
said.
say wait here, but there's,
She
the
said, "Come on."
machines are empty, so. You came at just the right
Oh, there, you can
time
get
because we have
yours.
2 open machines.
Oh, okay.
Goodness.
Before you start yours, come over here a minute.
Yeah, what's going on? This gonna be all right?
I need to get you to sign something if you're going to assist. And
That's fine.
No, that's fine. I can do that. That's what we can.
I see nobody's running against Andrew Clyde.
Oh, okay. Yes, honey. I'll slow myself.
You know, I don't see Mangus on there for sheriff, so she must not be running for re-election. I ain't voting for that asshole.
Make sure you got everything
That's too easy.
there. Okay.
See, when there's only one person running,
Yep.
yeah. For future elections, do you want paper ballots scanned and verified by hand count on live stream video? Absolutely. Should the legislature enact a fair tax replacing the state income tax with a consumption tax equal to current state funding and taxing no legal citizen or family up to the poverty level of spending? Should the legislature ban registered lobbyists from serving in the state election boards? Yes.
I know the fly keeps flying in your head.
Why? I took a shower.
I know.
See too many judges on
Mm-hmm.
the Court of Appeals.
sure you can get up?
Go ahead.
You sure you can get up?
I'll wait for you.
Don't get up yet until I help you up.
Excuse me.
Yes,
How has the early voting been?
it's been pretty steady.
Pretty steady?
Yeah, I don't know an exact number, but it's been pretty steady.
That's good.
Yeah, it is good.
Me personally, I don't like to get out on election day.
Yeah, I like to vote early.
I used to vote absentee, but one time I decided to come in here and just vote early. And they said, you already voted by absentee ballot. And I said, really? When? Because I didn't, so somebody stole my ballot.
You had mentioned Janice Magnum earlier.
Yes.
She will not be on the ballot anytime because she's retiring. The
Oh,
last day of work will be December 31st of this year,
Okay.
and she'll be a woman of leisure.
Well, I didn't like her anyway.
to be a woman of leisure,
Yeah.
I wish I could do that.
She wouldn't even answer a phone call for me. When? You know, you're the sheriff.
You're done, you can just.
Hell, in Barrow County, we were friends with Judd Smith. You know, he,
You ready?
Oh, this
So you're gonna go out that way, sir.
This way. Here. There you go.
And I'll take the voter card. And that, thank you.
Well, I
All
thought that's
right,
kind
now
of
watch this number, it'll go up by one, you'll hear a click, and then you'll have voted.
Go ahead.
You,
And
okay, you're good to go.
good to go. So, there you go. Just make sure it went through there. And it'll show right up there.
All right,
There
thank
we
you for
go.
voting.
Thank you.
you're welcome. You have a nice day.
Now, here, I want to help you. So you can take your time.
That puts you right outside.
I'm gonna grab the keys for you. Easy,
Okay.
because you're wobbling.
Worry about it, I'm fine now.
Put this right here. Here you go. I'll put my license back in my wallet because I know I'll lose it if I don't.
Hello, everybody. We're out of the voting booth.
Yes, we made it out.
I hope I was able to catch some of the stuff. Yeah, Sheriff Janice Mangum, she fucking
retiring, as they
fucking
said?
bitch. You know.
Oh, Oh, thank you, Austin. He said, welcome back.
I hope you guys were able to see some of that. Tried to keep my phone a little up so the camera could
Let me get my
at least see the ballot. Boy, some of those questions on there, holy shit.
Wilma said we could, thank you.
7 and 8, you voted no, right?
Yes, you told me no, and that's
Fuck,
what I
man.
did.
Do you want the fucking UN to be in control of any pandemic in the United States? Fuck you. Get the fucking UN out of here. Anybody who votes yes on that is a fucking communist. We can handle our own pandemics. Ain't that right?
That's right. Okay.
Biden wants the UN to be in control of our arms here. My arms, your arms. Fuck that. Get the fuck out of here. Remember, the UN is not your friend. They are your enemy.
Wilma says, I agree with that.
Friday we'll come over here and cancel the registrations. Probably after my doctor's appointment. By the way, what time do I go to the fucking doctor on
I'll
Friday?
check. Let you know.
I know I got a check-in thing.
Yeah. Just put that mark right there. Straight to the side.
Let's get out of here before school lets out.
It's only 2:30.
See, if the UN was in control of our arms, they would take them away from us. Well, I'll tell you what. Come and get it. If you think you're brave enough.
Oh, that's a wound care room at Barrow Hospital
Oh, okay. What time?
at 8:30.
That's cool.
Yeah, you got that, and then at 2:30 I gotta go to get my mammogram.
All right, we're gonna play with your titties, huh?
Squish them in those things, you know.
Freak them out. Where are your pasties?
All right, so you got it. Oh, I can check in for you. Want me to do that?
Yeah, check in.
Okay. Organelle wants to go slow.
Thank you, Austin. You know, a lot of people in this country have no idea what's going on, but I do. There is.
I'll do this when I get home because it's not moving.
Okay. considered a right-wing nationalist. That's what they call me. Yes, Wanda, I voted for you. I don't know why, because I didn't like the other guy.
Yeah, I voted for her too.
I am considered a MAGA extremist. The fuck is that anyway?
I don't know.
But because I voted for Trump?
Trump?
Do you see me burning down schools?
No. You don't harm anybody.
Do you see me stopping anybody from going to the fucking library?
No.
It was funny. I watched a story where, I don't know if you've seen this, but one day protesters, Israelis, were fighting against the Hamas lovers, and the FBI said that they're going to find out every counter-protester that was there and arrest them. Why don't you arrest the ones that are fucking breaking the law? It's always you who gets arrested, not them.
Oh, Austin, you mean you don't vote because you don't want to be picked for jury duty?
That's not true.
If that's what he means. He said charity duty, but I'm thinking jury duty.
We have lived in Illinois for 30 plus years. How many times have you been picked for jury duty?
None.
We lived in Florida for 5 years.
Yeah.
How many times have you been picked for jury duty?
I've never been picked.
Okay, we have been here. It's now
7 years, actually?
no,
Almost?
2005, 2015, 19 years
Oh, in Georgia, yeah.
in Georgia. How many times have you been picked for jury duty?
I've never been picked.
There you go. Neither have I.
Yeah, so even though we vote, we've never been picked for jury duty
It
ever.
has nothing to do with voting. Let me tell you this. I found this out and I can show you the proof. Okay? I can show you the proof.
Oh, okay, well, what?
Because when I had a jury, I've got all the jurors' names and everything, all their information, okay? They gave it to me, they weren't supposed to, so I kept it. And so when I was picking people for jury duty, I'm like, I'd ask each one, how many times have you been picked for jury duty? And I heard people say twice, 3 times, 4 times. I'm like thinking, what the fuck?
I'm not like get picked that many times for jury duty. I didn't get picked once.
And so then my next question to them was, how many times did you vote in favor of the prosecution? And all of them said every time.
Wow.
So these are the people that they know are going to vote for the prosecution. So they keep picking them.
It says voting is our first duty for country.
Right here.
Yeah.
I want you to go inside and order this.
Oh, okay. Wilma said her husband went 3 times for jury duty and once for a grand jury.
Once for a grand jury?
Yeah.
See, the problem is they don't want me on a jury, and I'll tell you why.
Now tell me what you want.
I want a double fish meal,
Hot and fresh.
hot and fresh.
All right.
They don't want me on a jury, and I'll tell you why.
Stay there and I'll go get my wallet.
Because I know the law.
Those are the-
When'd you get tickets?
I got those for those winners I had.
Well, let's see if we won.
All right, you go ahead. And I'll go get you.
All right, because I know the law. Okay? So they can't tell me any bullshit. And if I was ever on a jury on a traffic case, it would be automatic acquittal. Hey, we got a winner. We got 2 10s. Let's see what numbers we got here. There's a 2. We got a 2. 1, 2. And of course the 10. So we got $1. $1. And $3. Hey, a $5 winner on a $2 ticket. I like that. A $5 winner. Whoops, I scratched the barcode. I can't show you. Alright, let's first check the back, see if we got a money bagger of 5 times. No, not on the back. This is a 20 times the cash. Let's see if we got a multiplier here. Come on, let's see it 20 times. At Death Row. No multiplier. Alright, let's see if we got a winner. 18. We have an 18. We got a 17. No 18. How about a 28? Nope, we got a 27. How about a 22? We got a 21. 2. How about a 1? Oh, we got a 4, 7, 8, 2, and 9. Everything was 1 off. Alright, that's my ass. 500 cash craze. Check the bonuses. No, $25, we got a key. We need stacked cash. No, we got an empty piggy bank. About the diamond for 500. No, we got a horseshoe. Alright. Now, there's no multipliers on this, so I might as well just scratch off the numbers. We need a 4, 22, 25, and 29. There's a 30, 1 off. There's a 1. A 7. A 26, 1 off. A 6. No good. Next row. No 13 because there's no teens. No 5. 4. No 23. We got a 22. No 2. And no 20. Death row. No 19. No 11. No 17. No 18. And no 8. So this one's a loser. Thanks, Maria. So out of $12, we got $5 back, not even half back. Well, see, the thing is, Wilma, I would actually stay quiet. I'd actually make the prosecution think I'm the one they picked. They want to pick. And then when everybody's voting guilty, I'm voting not guilty. Yeah. Because understand this, okay? There are elements to a crime, okay? They will not tell you all the elements of the crime, okay? You have to actually look at the statute. And if they can't meet that burden, you have to vote not guilty. Like if somebody runs a red light, okay? Did he intend to run it? If there's no intent, there's no crime. So, if he said, I was between a rock and a hard place, if I slammed down my brakes, I would have gotten hit by the car behind me. So I had no choice but to go through the light. Beautiful, not guilty. That's what I want to hear. I had one juror, this is what I asked the jurors. I asked one juror during voir dire, I said, when a police officer testifies, will you always believe that police officer? She said yes. You can't have someone like that on the jury because police officers lie. And if you go back and watch my case, because I recorded it all, if you go back and watch my case, when I wanted a directed verdict on one of the charges because the police officer said I failed to display my license to him. Okay, display means show it to him, not give it to him, show it to him. The judge said, I'm going to let it go to the jury because I don't know what the definition of display is. Oh, fucking look it up. You don't know what and what are you doing on the bench? Yeah, oh my God. And they found me guilty, right? But the funny part about that was...
You only went on one ticket?
Yeah. That was $5 on a $2 one.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good.
But the funny part about it was...
Put this right in there.
If you look at the statute, even if you're found guilty, the fine is $10. And the judge wanted to, he fined me $100. I said to him, I said, Your Honor, the fine is only $10 in the statute. Oh, I'm fining you $100. Great, I'm not paying it. So he fined me $300, one per charge, because I had 3 charges. And I never paid a dime.
Almost said that's bull.
And you know why I never paid a dime? Because I never signed that fucking piece of paper that I agreed with everything.
Right.
I told the assistant district attorney, I said, or the prosecutor, I said, I'm not signing that. And he put down defendant, refused to sign.
Good.
Hi, Melissa. Dupree, how are you?
You see her? I don't see her yet. Hi, Melissa.
Put on some glasses. Put on some glasses.
No, but it's not. Now it shows it. They come up with their setup. Oh, we're traveling back home, Melissa. We went to go vote, and we stopped to pick up some McDonald's to eat for lunch when we get home.
You know, my congressman, it used to be Andrew Clyde. Then they switched districts. You know, they remapped it so ours was redistricted from the 9th to the 8th. And so we had this clown in there as our representative. And I had to talk to him. I had a talk with him over at Trump's rally in Rome. And I said, how come you never come around? I said, I voted for you, and I don't ever see you. He says, oh, I did come to Punta Rest just the other day. I'm like, yeah, when? And then he says, but I'm not going to be your congressman anymore because it's getting switched back to District Number 9. So Andrew Clyde is going to be your...
Can't they just make up their damn minds?
I'm like, well, you know, I can live with him. Although I'd like to see him talk more, you know, get out there like Marjorie Taylor Greene. I wish I had her as my congresswoman.
Where's she for Congress? Where's she for?
Rome, that area.
Right over there? Okay.
Not like Hank Johnson, that fucking Democrat. This is what he actually said.
Who?
Hank Johnson.
Oh,
You know the one that talked about me on the House floor?
yes.
Yeah, fuck him. He says, if you put too many people on the Panama Canal, it'll tip over into the ocean. That's a fucking Democrat for you. Like this other jagoff talking about AR-15s and AK-47s. How can we allow a weapon that shoots 700 rounds a minute? Yeah, I'd like to see an AR-15 shoot at 700 rounds a minute, you fucking moron.
Because they don't know what they're talking about.
I mean, even with my 100-round drum, I couldn't get 100 rounds off in a minute. Not pressing the trigger one time each. And 700 rounds a minute would blow up the fucking barrel. It would. That barrel gets so fucking hot, it would just explode. You ought to see how hot it gets just shooting 30 rounds. Tell me what's going on in the chat, because I can't read it.
Oh no, everyone's just saying hi to Melissa. I hope your day's going good, Melissa. But otherwise, you had a nice visit with your dog?
Yeah.
That's good. Did you tell him I said hello?
Yeah.
Melissa says, what a beautiful neighborhood.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
It may look beautiful, but it's not.
The HOA here sucks.
Yeah, the HOA here is horrible. I'll let Walden back in there. Hurries, my friend.
Come on, Walden.
Yeah, that's Walden. Yeah, he was just trying to back up his truck. Yeah, you're right. Well, he said they assume every gun owner is a maniac. And we know we're not.
When that trans shut up that military office in Tennessee, they tried to hide the fucking story because it was a trans person. Are you fucking nuts?
Well, no, Melissa, I'm not going to say that the neighborhood's not beautiful, but I mean, it's just that the HOA that we have here is really bad.
I gotta cut down this.
This bush.
Yeah, a little bit.
All right, let me get my purse and I'll grab
It's growing too much.
my drink. You want me to? Can you carry yours while I carry the bag?
Yeah, I'll carry it
All right.
down.
And I'll get our bag.
All right. Get out of here. Fucking make you sign something to assist me. All I wanted you there was to see.
I know, but they had to.
I know who I was voting for.
Right.
Because they don't like you talking out loud there. So give her a visual look. I need a paper towel.
All right, I'll get one. Put this down in a minute and I'll grab one for you. Okay. Because I'll wash that up. Okay.
Just sit right there.
I know that stuff really sweats a lot.
Yeah. There we go. I can put my phone up. Okay.
Let me get the food.
You'll get the see the lovely queen bee. She sits down.
My friend was over there. That normally says hi to me all the time.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna grab you some napkins here. Here you go, love. Here's some napkins and here's your food. Alright. Yeah, he said him and his wife went door dashing the other day when he got out of work
Yeah.
on Saturday, and he said their last order, he said we had to go pick it up in Commerce and we had to go deliver it all the way in Nicholson.
What the fuck?
He's like, and what? I get a $4 tip? He's like, I'm not doing that ever again. I'm like, no, I don't blame you. Driving all the way from Commerce to pick up an order and have to drive all the way to Nicholson?
Yeah.
God.
And there is nothing in Nicholson.
And he said there was no houses for miles.
Yep.
And this house was alone on the road. And they came at the end of the road to meet us.
Yep.
I'm like, well, damn. Okay. Whew. Yes, Don, we have reached our house. Now we can sit down and eat our lunch. Hi, Scary Movie.
Scary movie have a wrench.
No,
Give him one.
it's your life. I can't do that. Yeah, I like that name, Scary Movie.
I gotta take this thing off. Start sweating to death.
I think these are kind of cool though. That's good that you need, you know, because if you have to open something that's really hard, comes in handy. Hi, Stephanie. I mean, my quarter pounder tastes good. It's just a quarter pounder, same McDonald's, you know, nothing special. Wow, that one's really good back there. Oh, I'm sorry, Wilma. Okay. Yes, Melissa, I work tonight.
But she doesn't work Friday.
Hi, baby.
They're doing 4 10-hour days, but she didn't work 10 hours last night.
Mm-mm. Hi, sugar. What you doing?
You know, they're talking about on the liberal media that there's only like 10 people out there supporting Trump outside the courthouse.
Oh, please.
That's because we have jobs,
Yeah, we work, you know.
right?
Hi, Lisa Bear. How are you?
Hi, Lisa. How are you? We come out when it's important.
Yep.
During rallies. 100,000 people show up in New Jersey.
Mm-hmm.
This one Jago. Oh, there was only about 20,000 out there. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Go and count them.
Oh, we're doing good, Lisa. Thank you. We're good. We just got home from voting.
Oh, there we go. This fucking
So,
line.
Glenn, just as the cross-examination actually started, Blanche, the attorney for Trump, used Cohen's language against him. First asking him if he called him a crying little something or other. Cohen responded, quote, sounds like something I would say. The judge then held a sidebar and asked Blanche, quote, why are you making this about yourself? Blanche said he had a right to show Cohen's bias, but the judge warned him, quote, don't make it about yourself. What's the strategy here? And is that kind of a good way to start cross?
Yeah.
It's a poor way to start. Most criminal litigators, prosecutors, and defense attorneys will tell you we follow a rule of primacy, recency. Start strong, end strong. This was one of the
Oh, there's a
biggest
big
starts
difference,
I
Don.
can imagine for somebody who's
What?
cross-examining the most
Don says, how much
consequential
difference
witness
is there in the
case.
taste
The
of
defense
burgers
attorney
made at home and
Blanche
bought from
stand up
outside?
and open with,
Well,
you
I'd say a
called
big
me
difference.
name on TikTok. It kind of shows the defense attorney to be thin-skinned,
Hang on.
to be petty, and
when you make hamburgers at home, you don't put all these preservatives in it. I mean, what do you put in it? Salt, pepper?
You get to put whatever seasonings you want.
Yeah, if you look
You know?
at the ingredients in a quarter pounder, is that a double quarter pounder?
Uh-uh.
So,
And besides, I think making burgers at home tastes better than the ones outside. And cheaper too.
Yeah, cheaper too. I mean, you buy 10 pounds of ground beef, a 10-pound roll. Imagine how many hamburgers you can make out of that.
Uh-huh. Oh, thank you, John. Yep. Got Ted Cruz.
Pee Wee Herman died longer than 4 days ago.
Yeah, no, yes. Melissa said she just made cheeseburgers last night.
Oh, is that right?
There you go.
Oh, I gotta see this.
Yeah, I got this T-shirt when we met Ted Cruz.
Have both
Quiet.
accepted CNN's invitation to debate on June 27th after President Biden issued this challenge this morning. Take a look.
Oh, Lord have
Donald
mercy.
Trump lost 2 debates to me in 2020. Since then, he hadn't shown up for debate. Now he's acting like he wants to debate me again. Well, make my day, pal. I'll even do it twice. First pick the dates, Donald. What do you think I'm Lincoln?
I wonder whether or not he shows up. Because, you know, he also challenged me to golf. So I'm a very good golfer. He can't hit a ball 50 yards. He said, I'll give him 3 aside. But he knows he'll never play. This is sort of like that, I think. But I hope not, because I really think he has to debate. He might as well get it over with.
He's so stupid. He's talking about golf. Here's what I really appreciate. Biden is saying no audience. Yeah. Good. And that the mics must be cut once the time to answer the question has expired. Yeah. And I think it's fair, and I think it's in CNN. It is CNN. So it's CNN. Yeah. And I'm hoping, because the last time, and I don't know if it was CNN that was moderating it, but when the moderators allowed him to go behind Hillary Clinton and stalk her.
He didn't go behind her. She walked in front of him.
Hey, get back to the point.
You fucking liar.
This is, people always say, what was it?
Hi,
what
Angie.
Was the crowning thing?
How are you doing? How's your dad?
He's gonna win. When he was running against Hillary, I always said it was never a doubt. I said when I saw
You're a fucking liar.
Recognize her getting stalked and
You said Hillary had it in the bag.
There were a lot of signposts that for me said, you know, and then there were the people who were saying, you know, I love him because he knows what he's doing. I watch his show. Yeah. And there was a lot of that.
Oh, okay,
So now
Angie.
we're all, I'm hoping that this debate happens. I think it's a good idea. It's good for us, you know, and DT will have to get his poop together.
Well, it was smart of Biden to get ahead of this by challenging Trump. And I think...
Wait a minute. He didn't challenge Trump. Trump challenged him.
Yeah, get it right, you dumb bitch.
Man.
That's why I don't like watching The View. They're full of shit. Hi, Penny Finder. Hi, Genius in Math. That's why I don't watch those bitches, because they're all liberal. Oh, Biden, I'm glad Biden got ahead of this. Biden didn't challenge Trump.
No.
Trump put it out there how long ago?
What do you mean, no fucking audience?
Yeah, what's that shit?
I want a fucking audience. And no giving Biden the questions like they did Hillary. So she can prepare.
Yeah. Oh, he didn't have... No, he didn't have no question, Genius in Math.
That's why down in Brazil got fired from CNN for giving Hillary questions.
Mm-hmm.
But who hires her? Fox. Like, what the fuck are you people doing? And then Fox just went liberal.
Oh, no, Genius in Math, we were watching,
The
he was
View.
watching the ladies on The View and how they were talking about that Biden and Trump are going to have a debate in June and that there's supposed to be no audience and that they need to make sure they cut the mic off after the time limit is up.
I'll bet you any money that they wouldn't cut Joe Biden's mic off.
No, I know.
Okay?
I know that. You're right, Andrew, he will. She
Well-
said Trump will chew Biden up.
Well, we're going to give Biden an extra 30 seconds because he stuttered for 30 seconds. Okay?
And then the one lady said that, oh, it's great that Biden went ahead and challenged him. And it's like, wait a minute, he didn't challenge Trump. Trump challenged him how long ago?
Yep.
He can't get up there and debate. He ain't going to know what the hell he's talking about. I know politics is not for everybody. You're right. Okay, we'll change the subject.
I just hate when people lie.
And she's supposed to be the Republican.
Alyssa, yeah.
Yeah, I see how. You're right, Angie, he will. She said Biden will stand at the mic and sleep for 30 minutes.
There you go. That'll be funny. I agree with you, Don. It's a good way to waste time.
Her and her dad just got back home from the hospital.
How's your dad doing?
He's okay.
I did want to see that one video.
Well, I'm glad he's doing okay.
See if I can.
Yeah, you told me he lost a lot of weight. I know. I guess all that radiation and chemo will do that.
Look at the Young Turks. We've found the 4 craziest Trump supporters. Do you know the Young Turks did a story on me?
Oh, yeah, it's because when you took your gun to the airport.
My AR-15.
Uh-huh. No, I understand, Genius. I understand. Like I said, politics is not for everybody.
And what's the one thing they said? The only reason the police didn't do anything to me was because I was white. And that I know the law.
You know the law, not because you're white.
Right. No, I know the law because I read it.
Oh, we just had McDonald's. Because we went to go vote and we stopped to get some food on the way home. Who created mathematics? I honestly, I don't know.
Albert Einstein.
Melissa said, everyone has their own political views. Me personally, I can't wait for Biden to get the fuck out.
Who said that?
Melissa.
Well, he's ruining this fucking country.
It's pretty sad when you can go to the grocery store and you spend all this money for what? And what did you buy? Absolutely nothing.
You know, here, I'll give an example. When Trump first came into office, he put tariffs on Chinese goods.
Right.
Okay? He had all the fucking liberal news media screaming that tariffs are no good. It's going to cost us more money, blah, blah, blah.
Oh, you love their McChickens? Oh, okay.
When Biden came in, he took those tariffs off.
Uh-huh.
Now he put them back on. But you don't hear the fucking liberal media saying shit about it.
Do you want some food, Luna? Are you hungry? Okay. All right.
And they're the same tariffs that Trump had.
Yeah, but they're bitching about it when he did it. But not when Biden does it, right? All right, let me get you a can of food. Hold on. Mama, get you a can of food. Okay.
Hillary Clinton weighs in on the Trump trial.
We don't care what Hillary Clinton has to say.
You know what? You should be in fucking prison, you bitch.
Okay, Lulu, come up here.
I'm looking for that one story.
Come on. I'm gonna feed you. There we go.
Got nothing to do with politics. And the fucking New York Court of Appeals.
The cross-examination
The New York Court of Appeals upheld the gag order. Fucking see these fucking liberal judges.
See, Melissa says, I go shopping, spend $300, and ask myself when I get home, what the fuck did I buy for $300?
Yes.
Yeah.
Look at this guy. Maria.
What guy?
That one right there.
What about him?
He's the one that ran into that bus and those 8 migrants were killed.
Oh, he did that?
He should be getting a fucking medal.
Stephanie says, hey, I respect Jim and your opinions, Maria, and everyone in the chat and in America. Genius and Matt said, by the way, I checked my blood pressure last night and it was 132/86.
Yesterday, mine was 128/78.
Melissa said, shit, I should run for president. I'd do a better job.
Absolutely.
We all would.
I would vote for you.
Oh, no, Don. We're not fighting with anybody.
No.
No, everyone's calm.
How come I'm not hearing anything?
I don't know.
Here, look at all these prisoners.
Is that Florida?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at all these prisoners.
There's a lot of women.
Yeah.
Oh, now you got sound.
Yes, ma'am.
I'd vote for you, Melissa. You're right, Genius.
Sir. Can you state your name, please?
Brian Howard.
All right, Mr. Howard, you're before the court. You're charged with 8 counts of DUI manslaughter.
Her cat food. Okay, I'm gonna get the pot because I'm gonna make pasta that
I have a copy of an application in regards to representation, but sorry, it's not filled out at all. It indicates actually that you refuse to sign it. Is it your intention to represent yourself? You want me to consider appointing an attorney for you, or you plan on hiring?
This is the guy who ran into a bus in Florida, in Marion, Florida.
Are you employed,
And
sir?
the bus veered off the road, hit a tree, flipped over, and killed 8 people.
What business are you?
BHM maintenance. It's called BHM maintenance. Paint and drywall.
And they charged him with 8 counts of DUI manslaughter.
For about 7-8 months.
And how much do you make on average per month?
$1,200.
Yeah, and it was a bus load filled with.
Do you have any dependents that you're supporting out of that?
No. No, ma'am.
Do you have any other assets that you own?
No, ma'am, not at the time.
And do you have any money in the bank?
Yes, ma'am.
And how much do you have?
$700.
All right, based on the information that you have provided to me, this court does find that you qualify for the services of the Public Defender's Office. I will appoint the law officer Michael A. Graves to represent you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
This court has already read through the probable cause for you. You're not done.
Sorry.
That's okay. This court has already read through the probable cause affidavit. I do find that there is probable cause for your arrest on all accounts. State priors. The defendant has
You're right, Doug.
of accident with property damage, 2019. 2 convictions for driving a license suspended, canceled, or revoked.
Yeah, exactly, Melissa. I see what you're talking about. Melissa said, look at the ones behind him.
Yeah.
That's why she said kids should never do drugs.
Yeah.
Conviction in 2009.
You're exactly right on that.
In 2006. And Your Honor, the state would argue and ask for no bond on these charges, given his history of driving with suspended license. Additionally, there were 33 passengers taken to the hospital, so there may be charges of further injuries to those passengers. The defendant admitted to law enforcement that he was in a crash 3 days prior to this. It's clear that he drives with a suspended license, and so.
And Melissa, look at all those women
sitting
sitting
already
there.
in motor vehicle. We don't forget that.
Yeah, look at all those
He's
girls
been
sitting
appointed to
there.
the public defender's office. Any response to?
I mean, it's pretty sad.
There's no indication from the history she decided that he has failed to appear in the court. There's no history showing that he cannot abide by any instructions that the court would give him not to operate a motor vehicle while he is, if he does obtain bond, Your Honor. Well, I ask that he be given the bond schedule for these charges.
Go ahead, honey. You want to go in the garage? Go ahead.
Give him a bond of $100.
Yeah, right. Okay.
All right, Mr. Howard, given the nature of the charges and given the possibility of further pending charges, right now this court is going to hold you on a no bond on all 8 counts, sir.
Oh, that's bullshit.
Well, oh, she's holding him in jail?
Yes. That's bullshit. Give him a bond.
Oh, today you realize that violence of your country done? Okay. Yeah, Melissa, they are not that. Pretty sad.
And I did read, as the state pointed out, that you were in a automobile accident at least 3 days prior to this accident. You are not allowed to operate a motor vehicle while this case is pending, sir. And you are not allowed to consume or possess any alcoholic beverages, any controlled substances.
Oh, is he drunk?
How can he? He'll be in jail. You just said no bond.
Without a prescription. And as of course a general rule, no illegal substances. I believe allegation was some type of marijuana or whatever. So do you understand these conditions that I'm putting in place?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else? Yeah, ma'am. If there's nothing else, then Mr. Bryant, Mr. Howard, you can go ahead and step to your left.
No, Melissa, she did not let him out.
Oh yeah, all young ones in there.
That's what Melissa had said. They're very young.
I mean, get your fucking act together. You know? Stay off them fucking drugs.
That's
Mr.
what
Howard,
Melissa had
you're
said earlier.
coordinated June 18th also. 9 o'clock in the
No, there's the older ones on the other side.
Oh, okay.
All the young ones were on that side. Jesus Christ.
No, she did not let him out.
Who?
Melissa said, oh, she let him out? I said, no, she didn't
No,
give him,
no bond.
Yeah, we were looking at all those other people sitting there, all those young girls. Good God.
But in California, now you gotta hear this. These 2 people were arrested. They were in possession of over $1 million worth of stolen merchandise, and the judge released both of them on their own recognizance. I'm like, what the fuck?
You know, I don't understand sometimes, you know? You never know the way these things work.
$1 million in stolen merchandise.
And they let her out.
Them. And you think they're not gonna show up in fucking court? Oh, the one that killed your brother in a drunk driving accident, he got a slap on the wrist?
Well, damn. There you are, Luna. I see you. Shanna Gardner to ask judge for bond alleged murder for hire case of ex-husband. Oh.
Which is generally, is she a danger to the community or a flight risk? And I don't see how this evidence would be relevant to that either. I don't believe there's any connection to this piece of evidence and the killing of Jared Roddy in February of 2022.
Yeah.
Hey, Petty Finder. You have a good rest of your day at work.
That's that one who had her ex-husband murdered.
And Melissa said, and his mother dropped off a $1,000 check off at the funeral home. I was irate. She tried to have her ex-husband killed? This lady?
No, he was killed.
Oh, and this is a trial for her? For the ex-wife?
This is for bond. She's trying to get bond.
For the lady?
Yeah.
She solicited someone to kill, was it her husband or ex-husband?
Ex-husband. That black guy.
I guess my question.
Because she's married to this Mexican.
This is admissible. Why?
Now she's married to this Mexican. And they hired this black guy to kill her husband, her ex-husband, after... after he came to pick up the kids. Because the guy put a tire in the road.
If the court reads these text messages that are on the screen, this Gardner never has.
So the ex-husband got out of the car to move the tire.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
Yeah.
I don't know how that.
Oh, there he's on.
And when he did,
He got shot?
he got shot and killed.
Yeah. Hi, Larry.
Hey, Larry.
How was school, honey?
Good.
Hey, I made some Crystal Light fruit punch. So you can have some of that to drink, or apple juice.
Okay.
Here. I'll let you have this thing. You can take the rest
Go
of
with the
this.
apple juice.
There you go. Get some McDonald's, too.
Maria,
Yes, dear. What are you looking for?
my cigarettes are in this thing.
Oh, I got it. I mean, you got to put your license away in the wallet.
Oh, yeah. Do that for me.
Here.
On slide shows contact between Ms. Jensen and another party.
I remember that one. Yeah.
Come on, get the judge back in the room.
When he got out of the car to try to move the tire out of the road, and he was shot dead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Deposit 9.
And now she wants to try to get bailed for her? Holy crap.
19 and 721, in which Ms. Gardner asks Ms. Jensen, do I ask so-and-so about people? Should I ask
That's her
today?
ex-husband killed her.
Referencing
Now
the
she
same
wants to get
person
out of jail.
that
Yeah,
Ms.
right.
Jensen and this other third party were discussing.
What the hell is she thinking?
Tell me the date, tell me the.
No, you didn't lock the car, right?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna go put this back in the wallet for you so I don't
Do I
leave it
ask
sitting up there.
X about people I'm late? July 22nd, can I ask M today? Let's see what H says. Wait a second. Yes, ma'am. They're also using language in this text that's at issue, code words that they use in other discussions, such as magic, making something disappear, etc.
You know, sometimes these are interesting to watch.
Clearly is in context of Ms. Gardner and Ms. Jensen discussing, asking these people. She just reached out. It doesn't, my contention is she did ask her to reach out. And she says, Sue's husband, I know people. She says, I'm not even joking. I want him gone. That seems like the go-ahead to reach out. I think it's relevant, and the follow-up conversation they have references the conversation Ms. Jensen had with this third party. In the context of following up, let's ask these people. Following up, let's ask these people. Using the code word that she uses for the third party.
All right, let me shut the garage door since she's outside now.
It gives context to what the defendant and Ms. Jensen are discussing.
I'm sorry, I don't like this judge.
This
And
one
again,
here?
I don't like any judges.
You don't like any judges anyway, it don't matter.
If you're not represented by a lawyer, they rule against you. Do you know why? Because they believe that all lawyers should be paid.
Good, well. Yeah, well, lawyers are not cheap. And they should know that.
And a lawyer's first duty is to the court, not to the client.
Messages you were saying on the same date, just later in the time.
In these messages,
Hello, Chad. How are you?
You know what I'm saying? The messages that are in question.
Hi, Chad. How you doing?
Just later in time. You said 4 o'clock.
We hope you're having a nice Wednesday.
This conversation continues from 1:27 p.m. through 4:49:56 p.m.
There we go.
We're discussing these code words, Chris Angel, magician.
Come on, I want to hear a decision.
The third party are in the midst of these text messages, including someone named Matt.
Yes, she makes reference to Matt, who she talked to earlier, who was the right after he was arrested. The other gentleman who was living there used an associate's.
Oh, you're on your way to Wisconsin, Chad. Okay. Now you're on your way to your Wisconsin from
Describe to
where?
Ms. Jensen how she was going to give Mario a heads up or warning her move to Washington or her moves to Tallahassee and Savannah.
Because then remember, after her ex-husband was killed, they moved to Washington State.
Okay.
What, so we go to lunch?
I guess so.
Oh, that's bullshit. Because remember, he was killed in Florida.
Right.
Yes, thank you.
Don't worry, honey. If I ever wanted to kill you, I wouldn't hire somebody. I'd just do it myself.
I know you would. And thank you for that.
You're welcome. Yes, you be safe driving on your way to Wisconsin there, Chad. Be careful. There's my boy. Did you send your sister a message to wishing her a happy birthday?
I'll do that right now.
I don't want her to think her brothers forgot her birthday.
It's Wednesday, May 15th, 2024. I'm Judge Paschke. We're
That's
on the
why I
record
like
on
the number
case
5.
23C70, matter known as State of Ohio versus Brandon M. Morgan. Mr. Morgan is the president of the courtroom today. He's represented by Attorney Henry Hilo.
Cooper wasn't here today.
Good morning.
Oh, Cooper was not
Place
school
the
today?
Geauga County prosecutor is
Was this
present
it?
in the courtroom,
No, he had an
as well
AP
as
exam.
Assistant Geauga County Prosecutor
Oh.
Nicholas Burley. We also have
He's
Ms. Walker
he's gonna be a
from the
junior
probation
too?
department
Yeah.
with us via
Okay.
video.
Oh, he had an AP exam? Oh, he's got AP classes? He's got AP classes? Oh,
The
wow.
defendant was
Okay.
indicted by the Geauga County Grand Jury in a 3-count indictment with specifications.
Do you know what
on
classes
May
he's got
2nd,
AP?
2023.
No.
And after
I know one of them.
much
Yeah, 8
conversation
people
with
in
defense
history.
counsel and the
Oh,
exchange
I
of
like world
discovery,
history too.
the defendant changed his plea on March 21st of this year.
Yes, my son Larry is home from
Pled
school,
guilty
y'all.
to attempted murder, a felony of
So
the first
that's
degree,
who I'm talking
and
to.
illegal possession of a deadly weapon in a school safety zone, and a felony of the fifth degree. The court accepted that plea,
They did,
set
and I
the
went
matter
to
for
the
sentencing. There's been
today,
a
so
sentence report
we'll do that.
completed, and we are good for sentencing. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Mr. Hilo, do you or your
Yeah, I
client
wanted to
have any
make sure
reason
that
why this
I,
matter should not
you know,
proceed
what
to
your sister
sentencing?
know.
No, Your Honor, we're ready to proceed.
And have you had an opportunity to review the
And I already
pre-sentence
sent her her
investigation?
$100
I have, Your Honor, both today, pre-sentence report prior to the
So,
preparation
she's
of
got her
sentencing
money.
today with my client.
Just said
All
thank
right,
you.
do you or your client have any
See?
corrections or modifications or amendments you'd like to make to the
So
pre-sentence
she knows her
investigation?
brothers
No.
won't forget about her.
All right, then you can present what you have to present regarding sentencing.
Thank you, Your Honor. Do you want me to proceed now?
Yes.
Your Honor, before
That's
I
why I
start,
like the number 515,
on
because
behalf of my client, I
that's my daughter's
respectfully
birthday.
request my client's father be allowed to address this court.
I will put it down. Would you like to do that now?
I would like to do that.
My daughter is 31 years old today.
Event hurts me to help me.
Here, throw that in the garbage can, would you?
Just want to thank the probation
I'm
department
getting this
for the
cooked
thorough
stuff.
report
No,
that was done here.
This is Eric's Daytona scheme.
I appreciate
Oh,
the
nice.
time,
This is
the court,
Cooper's.
Okay,
And here's the other one.
okay.
and I know, I respect this honorable court, and I know the court will take all into consideration for the purpose of sentencing. And again, I want to thank the court, thank the prosecutor's office for able, for helping.
Oh, welcome back,
to
Loma.
resolve this matter, and help the community. Thank you.
Please.
This certainly is a tragic situation, and the defendant's life has been tragic. His childhood's been tragic.
What is this one?
Um,
Brandon Morissette sentenced after pleading guilty to charges he brought gun to West.
And, you know, usually we're
What did he
here
do?
before this court because
Apparently, he pleaded guilty to
the challenge here is,
attempted
you know,
murder
what
and
could have happened. And the state recognizes there's a lot of
bringing a gun to a school.
Oh.
You know, the state also recognizes.
Oh, thank you,
that
Stephanie.
the
I
defendant,
will
while
let
he's
her
been
know that.
incarcerated for over a year, has done about
Yeah,
as long
she's
in jail
31
as
years old
one
today,
can expect.
so I'm
Morissette brought a
happy.
gun, ammunition, and a knife to school, saying he was going to use them during the attack. During this evaluation, Mr. Morissette said he lied to the police during their investigation on multiple occasions, at times denying his actions and at other times admitting them. It should be noted, he not only admitted homicidal thoughts to detectives, but also university hospitals, drugs. So, again, very difficult to get into the defendant's head, but
Yeah, I can't
the
believe
best
she's
we
31
have is the
already.
psychodiagnostic report. And again, there's plenty of mitigation here. I'm certainly focusing
Thank
on,
you, Melissa.
on the aggravating
I will
factors.
relay your guys'
But when you
messages
look
to
at
her.
those aggravating factors, you get to the defendant's head a little bit. And I think, but for the
That
actions
goes
of
by too
the
fast,
student at
that's
the
what it
school,
is.
school administration,
Oh,
and the
okay.
school resource officer at the time, but for their actions,
I'll let you know when this is
it
ready, so
doesn't
if
appear
you
that a
want some, you
tragedy
can
would
have
have
some.
occurred. And the court needs to think about the impact that would have had on our community, and even though this was stopped, the impact is still had on our community. I mean, we're all parents here. The idea of getting a call that the
Mr. Morissette's father, which was quite similar to his statement made here in court today.
Hurt me a
I believe
little
that was
bit.
provided to the state. The court has also reviewed the plea agreement. I've listened to the statements that have been made here in court today, and I have reviewed the
Oh, I
entire
can't believe my
record
son
of the
Larry's
case.
gonna be 17
I've
in
considered the
October.
purposes and principles
where
of
did the
felony
time
sentencing
go?
under revised code 2929.11, as well as the seriousness and recidivism factors under revised code
The time went by too
2929.12,
fast.
including the seriousness of Mr. Morissette's conduct, the factors which make his conduct more serious, as well as factors which would make his conduct less serious. As far as factors which indicate conduct more serious, I do find that factors 1 and 2 discuss the injury and
Man.
and regardless of whether
Okay.
we believe the version that you were going to just hurt yourself, or whether we believe the version
I
that
had to make sure
you
of
planned a
what the weather
shooting.
was looking like.
It's clear that you did have the intent to use that gun at the school. Once again, based on what was found in the videos on your phone, based on the fact that you took 3 fully loaded magazines, the evidence does show that you planned to carry out a school shooting. You may have wavered back and forth, but at least that was a plan. Now we know that no one was physically hurt by your actions that day, but we can't say that nobody was hurt. The entire community was
Yeah,
terrorized.
just have to work tonight and tomorrow night.
When that
and
shelter
then
in place
Friday and
occurred,
Saturday I'll be
it
off.
was terrifying for the students.
You know, you're
It was
talking over there
terrifying for the
and
faculty and
the
staff.
phone's over here.
It was
I know, but I
terrifying
mean,
for
I'm
their
trying to see what
parents
they're
and
saying too.
families. And some of the responding officers that responded that day were some of the same ones that had to respond to Chardon High School.
Now it's
Can't
getting
say no
sunnier
harm
again.
was done to them.
Sun was going down. It looked like
Your
it was going to
conduct
look
in
like it was
establishing
wanting
this
to rain.
plan
Come on, get on with sensing.
it out has to be taken seriously, and the sentence has to reflect the seriousness of that matter.
You know, they got to do their spiel.
For that reason, I find that the state's recommendation is appropriate. As to count 1, sentence you to a term of prison of 8 years in prison. Due to the Reagan-Tokes law, then there would be an additional possible 4 years that would be at the discretion of the Ohio Department of
Everybody's so quiet now.
in the event that that additional time is imposed, you would be entitled to a hearing. So that would be a total possible maximum of 12 years. Counsel, did I explain the Reagan-Tokes law
Yes, Your Honor.
appropriately?
Yes, Your Honor, for the record, we object to Reagan-Tokes, just for the record.
I understand, thank you. All right, I also order forfeiture of the Smith & Wesson 910 handgun. Then as to count 2, I order that you serve 12 months in prison and that be served concurrent with the sentence for count 1. We will give you credit for time served in the amount of 399
White
days.
Fang, what's going on?
I am going to, and I guess I'll ask Mr.
Oh.
Flays. Mr. Flays, is the state moving at this time to dismiss the first and second specification to count 1 as well as count 3?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Okay. The first and second specifications to count 1 are dismissed, and count 3 is dismissed. Mr. Morissette, I order you to pay the court costs in this case. If you fail to pay any financial penalty or cost, the court may order you to perform up to 40 hours a month of community service until the court is satisfied that you're in compliance with an approved payment schedule. If you perform community service on this basis, your financial penalty or cost will be reduced to the extent of the federal minimum wage. The court isn't ordering any payment plan or community service at this time of judgment against you for the cost for which execution may issue. I will limit the amount taken from your inmate account while you're incarcerated to $5 a month for that. I also want to go over your appeal rights with you. You have the right to appeal or seek leave to appeal the sentence imposed. If you're unable to pay the cost of an appeal, you have the right to an appeal without payment. If you're unable to
Wilma
obtain
said her
counsel for
internet
appeal,
went out and she
counsel will be
said,
appointed at no
you
cost
can
to
take
you.
away TV,
If
but
you're
not my
unable to pay the
YouTube.
cost of documents necessary to an appeal, the documents will
Ain't
be
that the
provided to
truth?
you at no cost. You have the right to have a notice of appeal filed timely on your behalf. All right, I believe that covers everything I needed to cover. Mr. Flays, is there anything else we need to address?
Just the PRC advisement, Your Honor.
Oh, yes.
Not done yet.
You will be subject to a term of 5 years of post-release control under Revised Code 2967.
You have Detective John Dyson in your room.
If this period of post-release control
He
is
says
imposed
guilty.
following your release
That-
from prison,
well, he pled guilty.
conditions of that supervision, the parole board may impose a prison term. as
Permanent
part of the
incarceration
of
now, he
up
says.
to 1
No, he got 9 years.
term. If law
8 years on the attempted murder.
Well, who did he try to kill?
punished for the underlying conduct.
He said himself.
With an additional prison term
Oh.
of 1 year.
But he brought a gun to a school
On your
Well, yeah, you know what he planned to
may be added
with
as an
3
additional
magazines.
and that may be added consecutively.
And if he was going to kill himself, he only needed 1 bullet.
If you're also instructed that most prison inmates are eligible to earn days of credit against their prison sentences for participation in programs.
So,
Days of credit, if you're eligible
for the gun charge, he got 12 months. So 8 years and 12 months is 9 years because, well, in theory, he's serving it concurrently. So
Is that one right after the other?
no, at the same time.
Oh, okay.
So he got 8 years.
Control is up to 5 years, but no less than 2 years. So 2 years is not subject to reduction.
Detective Dyson said 9 years will hopefully turn into permanent pending more charges committed while incarcerated. Because you know how people are when they're in
Well, he's been in jail now for 399 days.
Damn.
Apparently, he's been good. So he
So
gets
far, anyway.
So he gets credit for time served. How big that deputy is! Holy shit!
Wilma said he doesn't deserve to ever get out. That's bullshit.
Detective John Dyson says he's going to the big house now. I'll have the homies make a visit. No, you're right. You're right, Wilma. But he didn't shoot anybody.
Oh, that big boy.
So, I guess that's a blessing.
Yeah, I'm prone to say the same thing. If he did it once, who's to say he's not going to try something again? And today, Melissa says people in our society are doing less time for murder.
Yeah, that's true.
Isn't that true? It's sad when you see these.
I can't believe that California releases people on their own recognizance for murder.
I just don't get that.
Are you fucking serious? So they can go out and do it again while they're waiting for trial.
And I don't understand women, like that one up there, women in prison. What the hell are they doing crimes like they do? Jesus Christ. What's the matter with people?
Now this one here.
The one in the corner that I was pointing at?
This one here where it says boyfriend cop murder trial. They're only prosecuting her because he was a cop.
Oh, okay. So she tried to kill him?
No. That's
they both tried to kill somebody.
No, that's just it. She didn't try to kill him. She didn't know it was him. She thought it was somebody else.
Okay. Okay, you got me confused now.
Here, let me give you an idea. Maria, take a look. Suppose somebody's trying to get in the door.
Right.
Okay?
Right.
And I go ahead and I shoot my shotgun
Yeah.
through the door and kill that person.
Right.
Come to find out it was our son.
Okay.
He lost his key.
Right. Oh, so is that the kind of scenario that happened here?
Yes.
Her boyfriend was the cop?
Yes.
And she thought somebody was trying to break into
No,
her...
she was outside by the car.
Okay.
And she thought she saw someone coming after her.
Okay.
So she fired her gun.
Right.
And unfortunately, it was her boyfriend, the cop.
Oh, and she killed him.
Yes.
So she's on trial for killing him.
Yes.
Okay.
Because he was a cop.
Okay.
And they don't believe her story.
Melissa said, whatever happened to an eye for an eye?
I watched a video
Your internet is going in and out, Wilma. I'm sorry.
on this one guy. His brother is doing 35 years.
Uh-huh.
Okay? This guy shoots this other guy in the back twice and kills him. And it's all on video.
Right.
And he gets a hung jury.
Oh, I don't get that at all. I don't understand that right there.
And he's not even in jail because they gave him a low bond.
Wow. That's really messed up.
No, I don't see any problem. If I was buffering, it would say that, but I'm not buffering. It could be just your internet.
Yeah, because she said her internet keeps going in and out.
Yeah. Maria, can I get some tea, please?
Yes, dear. Do you want me to use that same cup?
No, I want you to use a bigger one.
Okay. Let me put this one in here. I got a bigger cup right here.
This is day 12 of her trial.
Wow. It's going on for a while.
What the content is, what the time is, and indicate who is communicating.
At 11:54, I texted Allie and said, "You can get me now, period." At 11:54, I texted her again and said, "If easier." At 11:55, Allie texted me back and said, "Okay, I am driving people home now." At 11:55, I said, "Word." And then at 11:55, I said, "Get me after." At 11:55, Allie wrote back, "KK." And then at 12:10 a.m., Allie wrote, "Here." And at 12:10 a.m., I wrote back, "Okay."
It's going to take that. Your Honor, may I approach just to retrieve the exam?
Yes. Small plane crashes in affluent Tennessee
with
County.
respect
Crap.
to
Where'd you see that?
It just popped on
that
your
last
phone.
communication
Oh, okay.
that you sent as far as okay, how long after that message was sent did you then go out to the car where Allie was?
Right after, I'd say around 30 seconds.
And Your Honor, may I approach the witness again?
Yes. Angie, what's going on?
Sir, I'm showing you what's been marked as exhibits 82 and 83. Again, I just asked you to take a look at those and look up. And do you recognize those, sir?
Yep.
And what do you recognize those?
What
is in those photos?
A picture of me and my aunt, and a picture of me by myself.
And do you recall sort of when those photographs were taken?
Yes, February 11th.
And why is it that you recall that? Well, let me ask you this. As far as February 11th was concerned, where were you that?
I was at my uncle's house.
Why were you at your uncle's house on that?
My cousin was coming home for leave from the Marine Corps, so we had a little gathering for him.
And just to be clear, when you say your uncle, you're talking about your uncle Brian Albert again?
Correct.
Your cousin that was coming home from the Marines, what's his name?
Jack Albert.
And so on that evening, you were over that house, is that correct?
Correct.
And
The first picture in exhibit, I believe it's 82, is that correct? When you're on the call?
Correct.
And what's contained on there, is that a fair and accurate portrayal of sort of what you look like as far as your...
Oh, come on.
Petty Finder's still with us? That's good. I don't know why I got these. Oh, this must have been Kenyon who left those bags sitting over there. I'm gonna get a container for.
All right, so let's go and see. We had already went through this once.
What's that, honey?
Go to my dashboard.
You went through what once?
Trim out segment.
Ouch.
Trim. There you go. Take care of that so that video can be monetized.
She's outside somewhere.
All right.
She's enjoying herself out there.
All right, at 4 o'clock, I'm going to sign off here.
Oh, okay. Okay. You look tired though, honey.
Well, I was up early this morning.
Yeah, I know you were. Some for lunch.
You know,
Some sauce on here.
I was watching this backgammon finals.
Backgammon?
Yeah.
I don't even know how to play that.
Oh, I love backgammon.
I really don't. I don't know how to play backgammon.
I was confused about one thing.
Uh-huh.
And it's the
One
certain one thing. It's the certain dice that they roll.
Uh-huh.
It's a die.
Okay.
Not dice, die.
Right, just one. Okay.
And I don't know what it's for. It's certainly not to see who goes first because it was rolled in the middle of the game.
Okay.
Quite not sure what it's for. That reminds me, I gotta go to Chumba Casino and collect my,
Your winnings.
no, my daily bonus. Because I can't play right now.
Right. Oh, you can't?
No. Because I've only got 213,000. That'll be gone in 10 spins.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna put that in a small bowl.
But I do need to go to the Georgia Lottery.
Oh, okay. Ouch.
The deal here.
My hip hurts.
I do got to play one Fantasy 5
Oh, okay. There we go. That's a lot better.
so I can get into the... Let me just do that real quick. Play one Fantasy 5.
Wash all these dishes.
I'll just do a quick pick.
There you go.
Doesn't matter, I ain't gonna win anyway. Add to cart.
Put this away.
Now let me go to cash 3.
Yeah, I'm sorry you're having your internet problems, Wilma. That really sucks.
And let me play it straight. 515. Next, 2 draws.
Make a thing I choose to take with me
Check out.
instead of having.
I don't know why my blood sugar's so high.
Wash all these dishes up. Get them out of here. Oh. Mm.
All right. Now sign out of that. Go to my.
Big threes. She says 669.
Yeah, I played that yesterday. I didn't win.
Oh, I'm sorry. He did win.
All right, folks. You got 3 minutes.
I have this, and I'll put this sauce in there so I can get that pot out of here. Okay.
Okay. Who are you talking about? Blue guy? Ooh, I don't know if you should be saying things like that.
Uh-oh. Someone's saying something they shouldn't be saying?
You got nothing on your channel.
You built like a glizzy?
Grizzly.
No, it says Glizzinator. Blue guy, I have no idea what you're trying to say. Oh, thank you. Thank you, honey. You took care of him right away.
Well,
I have no idea
all
what
of
the
my
hell he was
moderators,
saying.
all of my moderators in here are slow,
Trim.
but
I have no idea what he was trying to say, to be honest.
I went and checked his YouTube page. There was nothing on it.
Don't you love people like that? I'm telling you.
All right, everybody, it's 4 o'clock. I got to get off here. Wilma, I'll talk with you soon. White Fang, thanks. Stephanie, I appreciate it. Penny
Bye, guys.
Finder, you're the best. Angie,
I'm sure
thank
that
you.
I'll-
Love you,
I'll-
Angie. Melissa Dupree,
I'm sure that I'll be
once
saying
again,
hello to
thank
everybody
you.
tomorrow.
Lokesh, it's Don. I'm going to add you as a moderator. There you go.
You guys all have a good evening tonight. I will see everyone tomorrow.
Chad, I appreciate it. If you're still here.
Yeah, Chad, be safe driving now.
Genius and Mad, thanks. Itching and Scratching, I appreciate it. Everybody who's hanging out in the bushes. I'm going to try to have a good afternoon. It'll be even better once Maria leaves for work.
Oh, jeez. Thanks.
But I'll talk to you guys soon. We got to go upstairs. We got to take care of something. And no, it's not what you're thinking. I'll talk with y'all later. Bye.